Hello everyone. Thank you for coming. I'm Kotaro Iwata. Please call me Ko. I worked for Loan for 6 years. Loan is a company in Japan which produces semiconductor parts. I'm an electronic circuit engineer. I design ICs every day for my company. ICs stand for integrated circuit. ICs control every electronic devices like ceiling light, laptop, and so on. So they are the brain of any electronic devices. Today, I will introduce car technology in the future. It's because many ICs are used in car. And also, it will be very interesting for you because you will be able to find this technology in the future, also in the Philippines. Before I begin with my presentation, I'd like to ask a question. How many ICs do you think a car has? Can you give me estimation? ICs or brains?
Guess?
20.
20.
Thank you for answering. Hybrid car or hybrid car has 200 or 300 ICs.
What?
Zero or what is it?
1-0. Lacking 1-0.
Yes. Typical car has 50 or 100 ICs. It's so many. So the number of ICs will increase more and more, about 7 to 8% each year. So our company aim to capture this growing market, and we will change the car industry in the future by our technologies. Okay, let's begin. This is the title of my presentation: Car Technologies in the Future. And this is today's agenda. I've divided my presentation into 4 parts. First, introduction. Second, smart entry. And next, automatic stop. And finally, I will make a conclusion. Let's start the introduction. First of all, I'd like to explain the relationship of my product ICs and car technologies. So, car has many electronic devices like navigation systems, speedometers, or air conditioners. They are managed by microcomputers. But we can't connect from battery to microcomputer directly because the voltage required for microcomputer has to be stable and has to be low. But the voltage of battery is very high and not stable or fluctuating. So we have to control it, and it's my product's job. So my product is power management IC for car technologies. The function of that is to supply power to microcomputers. It has 2 functions. First, to protect microcomputers from the high voltage of the battery. The second point is to control its voltage to be stable. So I have to understand every function of microcomputers because it will relate to the customer's requirements for ICs. In other words, I know very well about these technologies. So I will introduce these technologies today. From this slide, I will talk about new technologies in the future. First is smart entry key system. It's one of the wireless system, like laser system. We can open and close the door by pushing a button on the car door, like this, or press the knob without turning key. This technology has already expanded in Japan. This is a picture of smart key. It's like a remote key, traditional remote key. But the most important point is we can lock and unlock the doors as long as the key with you. So I'll show a short video about how to use smart entry key system. It will be helpful for deeper understanding.
The smart key. Emergency situations. These buttons have been designed to work when you're relatively close to the vehicle, so there's less danger of unlocking the car by accidentally pushing a button. Here's the second way to lock and unlock crates using the smart key. If the vehicle is locked, when you get within about 3 feet of the driver's door, the Prius senses the smart key. Then, when you touch the inside of the driver's door handle, the door will automatically unlock. You can also personalize the smart key to unlock all doors. To change the setting, turn the power switch off on the instrument panel. Then press and hold the unlock and panic buttons for approximately 5 seconds while also pushing the lock button on the main phone. The settings change each time this operation is performed, so the switch back to driver's door only unlocking mode. Simply repeat the procedure. On select models, the Prius is available with an additional smart key sensor on the passenger side front door and the rear hatch as well. Here's how to lock the vehicle using the smart key. First, make sure you have the key with you. Then touch the indentation on the top or bottom of the driver's door handle to lock all
Only
the
touch.
doors. And if equipped, you can also touch the indentation on the top or bottom of the front passenger's door handle. And the rear hatch has a lock button too, located to the right of the latch. Here's the third way to lock and unlock the brake.
I'm surprised.
Yes.
So we can also start and stop the engine by pushing a button as long as the key is with you. So this technology is very useful when the weather is raining, because you have an umbrella, the umbrella. Or if your hands are full of bags or luggage, you don't have to search your key in your bags when you use a smart key. Next technology is automatic stop system. It's one of the camera systems. The car automatically stops when the camera finds obstructions or humans. It's a useful system to avoid a car accident. But now the action is limited within the speed from 5 to 30 km per hour only. So I'll show a brief video about automatic stop system. In the video, a toy car has automatic stop system, and toy car ring a bell when toy car is running. If it stops, the bell also stops. I was surprised when I saw it for first time. automatically because of this obstruction. And then they remove the obstruction. There's no car accident.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm surprised.
Yeah.
That's amazing. It is also familiar in Japan, like Nissan, Honda, Subaru, and so on. By the way, the traffic in the Philippines is very heavy. It will be a great help to avoid car accidents in Philippines too. Now, the number of camera systems or wireless systems on board is increasing. This is one of the biggest market for technologies that will grow in the future. It's not only automatic stop, but also automatic parking systems or automatic driving. I prepare one more video about automatic driving and automatic parking. Please watch it. Automatically parking. Start to park.
Is this for real?
And can find this obstruction and stop. Automatically parking. When pick up.
Really?
Yeah. Shower.
For real?
Yes, camera finds the human and car automatically stop.
It's like
We need that
Robocop's
here.
car.
Yes.
That's nice.
How much is that?
You want it?
We don't need drivers anymore.
It's
Yes.
like David Hasselhoff's car.
Wow, it's very interesting video. It was very interesting video. We call these technologies ADAS, ADAS, Advanced Driving Assistance System. Car makers, also our companies, are developing these devices now. Cars will be able to drive itself in 2020. Is our target. Yes. Automatically driving is coming soon. Okay. Finally, I'll make a conclusion. The car technology is growing every day, every year. Like smart entry key system, automatic driving, automatic stop. As I explained, so one of the reasons is because of the semiconductor parts which my company produces. The main point of my presentation is we will be able to see many advanced products for cars in near future. it's not only in Japan, but also in the Philippines. I hope this presentation is helpful when you find these technologies. You can explain these technologies easily to your family or to your friends because of my presentation. Yes. Finally, I'd like to introduce attention-grabbing slogans of car makers because it's proof of my idea. Toyota says, drive your dreams. And Honda says, the power of dreams. And Nissan says, shift the future. And also our company, Long, says, technology for the automotive future. Did you notice? This slogan includes the words dreams or future. So we design the future for all of you.